Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovering Boss, here with another video. Alright, so right now we're back to the driving videos. For those who don't know as yet, our drone is down. We need a new drone. So until then we'll be exploring some community drive, some driving videos as well. So stay tuned for that. What I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna do a series of video focusing on one road. So that is Molynes Road. So Molynes Road is one of the longest roads in Kingston, with a mixture of commercial development on the main and then housing solutions and communities that branch off Molynes Road. I live very close to Molynes Road, so that's the reason why I'm starting here. So where I'm at is the intersection of Molynes Road and Washington Boulevard. Very busy thoroughfare. So this is 3 lanes heading to Spanish Town, 3 lanes heading into Half a Tree direction, and then, you know, 1 lane to Red Hills, 1 lane from Red Hills, heading into Half a Tree. So that's where we're at. So what I'm gonna do, so Molynes Road start from basically Transport Center straight to the foot of Red Hills Road, way up Red Hills Road. Alright, sorry, right at the foot of Red Hills Road, sorry. So I'm gonna take a turn where applicable on almost every street that branch off Molynes Road. The only reason I'm not gonna go on a street if it's too narrow, or if I think my safety is compromised, or if it's a little lane which my vehicle can't turn and all these things. So that's the only reason I'm not gonna go on such lanes. But other than that, I'm gonna branch off every single lane and road from Molynes Road and give you guys some community tours. So that's gonna take a while. It's gonna take quite a few videos as well, so hope you guys stay tuned for this series. So we're gonna start here. So we're gonna leave that half that heads up to Red Hills for last, and we're gonna do this half because basically Washington Boulevard separates Molynes Road. So we're gonna do this half that heads to Half a Tree. So that's the plan. Rather than do one side only first then come back and do the other, I'm gonna do both sides at the same time. So leaving from here, heading to Half a Tree, every road, every lane that branch off Molynes Road, I'm gonna do a driving video for it. Each video will be around, say, 8 to 12 minutes. So wherever that time span come, then I just stop the video there. Okay, you know, some lane, some road will branch off, go far, and that's not the aim. So the first road we're gonna do is Gilmore Drive, which is basically behind this gas station. So stay tuned, grab some popcorn, and let's do this series. Alright guys, so Gilmore Drive will be the first drive to cover. So this new automated car wash developed by Total Gilmore Drive now blocks off a entrance to Gilmore Drive that was here. So that grey wall there, it wasn't there all along, probably 6 months now. So you could drive right onto Gilmore Drive from right here, because the road itself has a barricade around the wall because they want to stop the traffic entering and exiting Molynes, you know, to create better flow of traffic. So that was a barricade, and then you could have entered and exit through the gas station, but that's no more. So we're gonna have to go way around the road, and that's what we're gonna do. So stay tuned. We're Total, or we're starting from Total Gilmore Drive, and we're heading to Gilmore Drive. So that's the first road we're covering in this series of Molynes Road. So we'll call this covering Molynes Road. So I'm gonna have to, alright, you guys stay tuned and see what I have to do. So there's a beryllium truck here. Everybody's scared to be beside beryllium because of the multiple robberies and attempted robberies. So we come through, then we have to go swing right to go into the filter lane. We want to go into the filter lane because we're gonna make a right at the intersection to make a U-turn. A lot of traffic coming, so this may take a little while. So right also on Gilmore Drive, which I'm gonna end the video, is a popular jerk spot as well. You know, a lot of persons usually say that Reviews Road is the jerk capital. But that spot has jerk chicken as well, which is very tasty. It's one of my favorites. So let me know which jerk spot is one of the favorite for you guys. So we're entering the intersection now of Molynes Road and Washington Boulevard. We're gonna take a U-turn. So traffic heading to Spain, Spanish Town. If you guys are familiar with these areas, let me know in the comment section as well. If you ever live on Molynes Road, let me know. Gilmore Drive, let me know. So this is now our U-turn. And then there's a restaurant over here, B&E Caters, and then a Texaco gas station. So we'll filter in the right lane. So we're gonna take the right turn at the stoplight coming up, and that brings us on to Gilmore Drive, and which is the start of Molynes Gardens. Gilmore Drive is one straight road. Oh, it says no right turn. I think I'm gonna have to go to the other intersection, which still has no right turn. But I'll figure it out. So that's the thing, guys. If you're coming from that direction, this is where you have to drive to go on Gilmore Drive, or there's another way to get there as well. I'll show you guys in another video. So we can't take a right turn here, so I'm gonna make a U-turn to go back where I'm coming from, back onto Boulevard, so I can take the left turn instead. We could have entered Gilmore Drive from off Molynes Road too, so I'll show you guys that option. Taking this left turn coming up. Alright, so it's a middle class community. Right, so not this intersection but the other one with that yellow house, that road comes off Molynes Road. So we could have taken that road and then come down onto Gilmore Drive. Gilmore Drive is this one. We're gonna take this left first, which goes to an apartment complex. Then we turn back and go to where it meets onto Molynes Road. So middle class community. These house prices have gone up a lot over the last 8 years. Some of them moving from 15 mil to 30 and 40 million now. Washington Court Apartments. So we'll turn right here. This is a big lot. Looks like 2 houses in the yard. I think a gully is behind it, so they get a lot of space, because you know there can't be any house behind it. Alright, so straight ahead is Molynes Road. So most of these houses are much older houses, and then sometime when it gets a new owner, they'll do some renovations. If any of you guys ever lived on this drive, let me know in the comments section. And if I didn't say it before, guys, remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share. I always appreciate your support. If you know someone that lived on Gilmore Drive, just send them this video, share it to them. Probably they can take a walk down memory lane. Probably they haven't been on this road in a while. So before the car wash, a lot of taxis and buses used to use this road to cut out the traffic on Washington Boulevard in the evening in peak hours, so they had to put sleeping police on it. But now no one uses it because the gas station blocked it off. Alright, so straight ahead now is the jerk spot. I think you guys probably can see those little tent and stuff. So before, you could have come all the way down here and make a right into the gas station. So that's the new wall for the gas station. But a barricade have always been here to manage the traffic onto Molynes Road. And that is Molynes Road. And that